How to change your Discord username on your mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always repeat same steps on your iOS or any device that Discord officially supports. So without further ado, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Discord application from your mobile phone. Okay, then click the bottom right button or your settings button. You will be presented with a user settings screen like this. And then from the settings screen, just choose my account. Okay, you will be presented with your account information. To change your username, go here, select the username. And then you can edit whichever name that you want. So for example, I will click Michelangelo 13157. Then after I edited all of it, I will click the save button on the bottom right, like so. Discord will ask you to enter your password from there. Just click your password. And that's it. Voila, your username should be changed immediately. Okay? You can go to the previous screen and you will see that the UI already reflected your entirely new username. That's pretty much how you change your username on your Discord mobile application. If you find this tutorial helpful and you wanted to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate also to put it on the comment section down below. And that's pretty much all of the tutorial. Until the next tutorial, YouTube. Cheers. I hope it helped. Bye.